Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. Now we get down to get straight to the point. Customer is complaining, I cannot start my vehicle. My vehicle will not start. It makes this noise right here. It makes a clicking noise. I can't do it because I got my jumpers on it. I'm sorry. It makes a clicking noise every time they try to start it. And I was like, your battery is old, and they didn't understand. So if you come and you look at the battery, there it is right there. 721. This battery is way overdue to be replaced. If your battery's 3-4 years old and you have this issue, you can go and buy a recharger and charge it up by yourself on your own, or you can just go buy a new battery. Long term, yes, buy a new battery. Short term, go ahead and charge it up. You will be charging again in the next couple months if you do that. I usually just tell customers just go ahead and buy a new one, and usually DIYs do not have home chargers. So this video is basically go buy yourself another battery if it's 4 years old. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and leave positive comments. Thank you.